Pool wall foam protects against punctures to your pool liner. It creates a smooth wall surface and helps to prevent rusting, corrosion, and any other pool wall degradation. Typically, wall foam is either 1/8 of an inch thick or 1/4 of an inch thick and 48 inches high. Rolls of wall foam come in 60 foot, 85 foot, 105 foot, and 125 foot length, which is based on the total circumference of popular pool sizes. Since the vinyl pool liner is one of the softest and most vital parts of an above-ground pool, wall foam is important because it adds an extra layer of protection between the liner and metal components of the pool. It can protect against punctures from the wall bolts or any other sharp edges of the wall or pool components. It should definitely be considered before pool installation commences. Without using the foam, the hard surface of the wall could make it easier for something sharp to affect the liner. Installation is easy. Once the walls have been erected, you may begin to apply the wall foam. This is where spray tack comes into play. It's an extremely versatile adhesive spray that is designed to bond wall foam to itself, concrete, wood, and other hard surfaces. It has fast tacking properties and high bond strength, ensuring the job gets done quickly and easily. Continue to work in manageable sections until the entire circumference is covered. If there is excess wall foam left over, cut and discard the remainder. Once completely adhered, continue with the liner installation process. Overall, with the ease of installation and its inexpensive price, wall foam is a simple way to improve the quality of your above-ground pool and provide added peace of mind. Wall foam can also be used on the pool bottom in lieu of a floor liner pad. At Easy Test Pool Supplies, we install thermal wall in the pool wall and use wall foam for a cushioned and protective layer between the ground and the pool liner. We sell wall foam on our website in full rolls, various sizes, and either 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch thick. Visit our product page link in the description to find your corresponding size and to purchase these products as well as many others. Our team has many years of pool experience and would be happy to help advise and answer any questions that you may have. Thanks for watching.